guys, I can finally say it. Car's coming back. I haven't seen it since August, since we dropped it off at the guy's house. He's had it for 4 months, but remember, he was putting a cage in. He fixed some of the floor problems because we did a little temporary fix, thinking we could get by it with the cage in the car, but the way we wanted to run the door bars, we couldn't do it, so we cut that out and fixed that. We also, for today, I'm also wearing my dirty shirt, so we're going to be working on the car. But I haven't seen the car. I know I gotta paint the cage when I get it, and I'm painting it black because I don't have silver and I want to do silver, but like black though. But I also got struts put in the car and a fuel filter that comes from the actual tank, not from the pump to the carburetor. And I don't know how long that's been there, but I don't know. I've also got to later throughout the video I gotta do buy brakes, and there's a new hood I'm gonna be ordering because I ordered a 2-inch cowl. It's not a 2-inch, but let me just grab all the parts and show you what we gotta do. Alright, so here's what we're gonna put on there. We're gonna put these struts on. We replace stock ones. I don't know how old they are, and I'm also gonna lower the car after I get it painted, which is very soon. But here's the fuel filter right here. It's an AC duct. I'm going with factory replacement on it. And I was talking about that 2-inch cowl. That's not a 2-inch cowl. Look at this thing. This was what I was gonna use the stock hood and mold the cowl onto it. I realized it's not gonna work and it's not that well made. We called it, ordered it online, and I don't have a use for it. So I'm gonna order a 3-inch cowl hood. So I want that thing to look mean going down the street. But here, if you guys see part numbers, there's that, and there's that. I got my car back. Gone since August, so 4 months. And boy, let me tell you, I cleaned it off before I started recording. It was dusty. But as you can see, there's a cage in it. Look at that. Yeah, it still needs to be cleaned a little bit. Look at that, man. I know about this little shippers first stuff. I'll fix that. Car's getting painted very soon after I do a little stuff we're gonna do today. The struts, fuel filter, and we gotta relocate the ground on it because the guy pulled it off the, what's it called, the seat stud where you bolt the seat down. It looks good. Plus I'm also gonna get a steel cowl hood, 3-inch. I just want this thing to look aggressive as a daily driver. But yeah, I'll open the doors and everything for you guys to look at it, and I like it. Car is back now. And she has the cage in it. And subframe connectors. As you can see, the bolt today, and I don't know if they're loaded, but the guy did a phenomenal job on the cage. Just look at those welds. Real good job. But if I just keep rubbing this, it all comes off, so it's not that bad. And then he got the hoop, the harness bar done. And he got the two, I don't know what they call it, the 2 bars that come from the harness bar, come down here. See, those are good welds, man. I really like them. It looks good. It looks real good. As you can see, plan is to run a 5-point. I don't know, he bent it too. I don't know how he did that. Good job, dude. Good job. I wish he could have been there to pick up the car, but my dad did. I'm glad he did, because it was gone for a while. You guys know that. I'm just happy he lowered the seats, because these seat brackets would hit the T-top. There's a little clearance, but it's not as bad. This was real close. And good job on the cage, dude. I don't know if you're gonna watch the video or not, but thank you. But it's now time to move on to the front struts and fuel filter. Alright, so I said I was gonna put the struts in real quick, and the fuel filter, I'm not doing that real quick. I'm just actually sitting in the car real quick, getting the feel of it, seeing how it should go. I won't be able to use the armrest that came with the car because it's gonna hit the roll bar right here, and it's gonna be like that on both sides. but it wraps around real good right here. I'm gonna put some what's it called, the padding you put on the roll cages when you're at, so you don't actually hurt yourself. So you're putting something in. But I'm gonna run a 5-inch harness, a 5-point, and we're gonna have it come from the harness bar to here. And I hope you guys like this car when it's done, because it's almost done. By February, this car should be painted. In March, I'm moving in March, and this car's coming with me. And we gotta go under the hood real quick too, also, to see what's going on there, because I haven't cranked it up in 4 months. But I'll show you that to you guys also. So see ya. But for what we're gonna do today, first is change the fuel filter for the factory replacement. LC Delco, and this is a part number if you guys need it. And this is the one coming from the tank, the hard line on the tank, to the actual hard line coming to the motor. But that's what it's gonna look like right there. And you see how clean it is. And if air goes right through it, which I've already tried, it's perfect. So we're gonna do that first. I need to jack the thing up. Oops, don't fall for the filter. Jack that car up right there. We're also gonna do these, which will be fun. Say I don't have to remove the front springs, but I'll try not to. But in case I do, I will. It has subframe connectors also now. On both sides. They're not welded in, like you said you would. But oh well, it's gonna work. I just want my car done. They're solid though. Are they, Raph?
Yeah.
Solid.
Spider in my mouth.
Is there a spider in your mouth?
There's some spider web.
It happens.
Yeah.
You gotta let it sit for 4 months.
Don't keep moving the stuff because I'm gonna get more spider.
I was gonna burn out front right here when we started.
Oh,
this is real sketchy. Like real sketchy. Oh. Are the brakes on?
I don't know. Wasn't it the emergency brake?
It shouldn't be set.
I don't know.
Oh, there they go. Okay, so I know how this is supposed to slide back in the air. But we gotta get the little shit off the thing, because it's this, dude. We're doing this the right way, I think. You got the jack supporting like control arm, so it doesn't. The spring shouldn't shoot.
Yeah, I'm right in the line of fire.
Well, we got the old struts off. Obviously the new ones. It sits higher with the new ones on. So I think these things are just dead to decompress. Sorry about my dirty hand. But I get the hood off too, and we're gonna reground it now. Because what the guy had to do with it, because it grounded it temporarily to one of the seat posts in there. So I'm gonna ground it right there if I could. And hopefully it works. Does it? That's gonna be a big problem, because I need this car to run, because I'm getting it painted very soon. Alright guys, that's to be it for today's video. Man, I am tired. Changing those two struts without having the spring come down, it's possible, but you gotta hold the jack under the control arm and keep pressure on it. And when you get the spindle off, it's hard to line back up, but I got it done. And I put a place where you can ground the car out, so we could have electrical back, because we had a problem with that earlier with this car when we were building it from the get-go. But the car's almost done. The cage looks awesome. I'm happy with the cage. I'm happy with the subframe connectors, and it's coming along. The car's solid again. But if you guys want more, just let me know in the comments, and I want to see I want to hear what you guys' opinion should be on where this car is going to go from here on out because I said I am moving to North Carolina and to have some fun up there. Try getting to school up there and doing some racing. But I can see this car becoming a daily and a drag car at the same time. It'd be cool. And we're trying to bring more third gens into the YouTube community. But see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and whatever you guys do on YouTube.